Good afternoon, everyone. We have only 5 minutes, so we'll try to be as brief as possible to explain to you, describe a practical case. But before that, just a few things about ENGIE. This is global figures. It's a French company. These are global overall figures. But I would like to talk about energy Spain. This is an energy company integrated with different business lines. But just a few things. We work on the development and of wind power and bioenergy. We generate by energy. We are the sixth generator in Spain when it comes to installed capacity, renewable installed capacity. We commercialize energy, electricity, and gas. We have been very active, biomethane production. We're trying to talk about, our French colleagues, they inject about 40 terawatts, in the grid. And last but not least, and which is very important, we have energy service company that I represent here. This company is based on decarbonization, industrial decarbonization, and tertiary sector by energy decarbonization, efficiency, energy efficiency, and self-consumption. Also, we have cogeneration plants that are actively operating, and also coal and heat systems. And to talk about a practical case, this is a biomass company, plant for Viscofan company. This company manufactures, packaging for food. This is steam, biomass-based steam cogeneration plant of 5 megawatts to reduce steam, overheated steam for Viscofan consumption. But we wanted to highlight it because this is quite a specific example, especially their fuel it is being used. This is a mix of forest chip, which is certified and meet, the sustainability criteria, emissions criteria certified by SURE, and waste from Viscofan, which is a cellulose-based product. It's not fossil waste, but this is a contract, energy service contract, in which ENGIE design, operates, and build, and the customer only pays for the use heat. The contract is lasted for 15 years, and it delivers some guarantees. Of course, these are long-term guarantees, responsibilities, energy efficiency, robustness, flexibility, environmental guarantees when it comes to waste management. And of course, that will last at least 50 years. So the project, when it comes to decarbonization, thanks to this project, 9,000 CO2 emissions are being saved. And because this is NTS company, that can be saved also, and the emissions rise. And when it comes to design, I hope I have time. I don't have much time, but please let me tell you that, as I said, just by using your own characteristic waste, you change everything. You can see different sectors, the reception sector, biomass reception sector with a storage capacity up to 500 cubic meters during 4 days in the buffer section, and the waste that is downloaded in a pit, build pit, and a mechanic grinding, make the residue, the waste, to have the appropriate size regarding for the chip and also for the shiver. 65% chip and 35% waste are the combination for this waste. But That is not a fixed combination. We need to have different sizes. So what we did is to make a pilot project, and regarding based on the screw speed, we are changing the percentage according to the characterization obtained in the laboratory. After harmonization and the mixing, the product goes to the boiler, which is a conventional boiler. Of course, we need to be careful with temperatures. We need to monitor, the combustion temperature. We should be careful here. This is a secondary process that it will take place if the combustion temperature changes. So when it comes to volatile, to volatile components and so forth, so on and so forth, are the right ones, and also the treatment of downwater, processes. This is very important. And it is important to create, the key recipe, and also the recirculation management of those gases, and the mix of cold air to increase efficiency of the refrigerant or cooling circuit of the saver filter. And also we have another system to reduce temperature of the water. Then we have a gas treatment. We comply with the royal decree for this sector. And also, we have a cyclone and different systems necessary. And the sleeve filter. And we also, report to the Navarra government. This is a project. If you have any questions, we are here to answer you. Thank you.